These are wheat berries, and a wheat berry has three parts. The outermost layer is called the bran, and it contains most of the fiber and is a good source of vitamin B. Bran can be used for human and animal consumption. The second part is called the endosperm and is the largest part of the wheat berry. It contains most of the protein and some vitamins and minerals. The third and smallest part of the wheat berry is called the germ, and it makes up only 3% of the entire kernel, but is a nutrient storehouse that is packed with antioxidants, vitamin E, B vitamins, and healthy fats. That is responsible for the plant to reproduce and spawn new wheat. There are also different types of wheat. Here at the National Milling Company of Guyana, we mill soft wheat flour that is used to make biscuits, cookies, and cakes. And we mill hard wheat flour that is used to make your breads, chow mein, and a range of other food items. As Guyana's sole flour mill, we take pride knowing that we provide you, our esteemed customer, with products that are milled, packed under hygienic conditions in an ISO certified factory. For added quality assurance, safety measures are taken by sample testing each batch of flour to ensure the best baking quality and performance of the wheat flour. With our range of products, the recipes are endless.